Tinamaan na ako, walang iyak ka Cupido. Nasirang schedule ko, putris na kapiliwang ito.
You're watching Ambisyosa, the only show dedicated to everything Ann Curtis. And you're in for more unforgettable moments with the Pambansang Diyosa straight from the Lion City of Asia.
Okay. This song, Slamay! I super love singing this song, and I noticed that we have some little girls in the audience. Kaya, itong song na to, I dedicate it to all my little girly fans out there. And if you know it, sing along with me.
I like the second costume, yung brighten yung ano, yung Let It Go, yes.
But now that you know, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The hope never bothered me anyway.
Nagsinga lang ako sa Frozen.
I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go. I'll cry like the break of dawn. Let it go. Let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand at the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Oh, it bothered me anyway. Excuse me po. Okay. Sorry po, di ako kasya dun eh. Actually, yung sa Araneta, ganyan yung kalaki yun. Pero mahirap talaga mag-travel. Itong song na to, kinanta ko po sa Italy. Pinalakpakan ako ng mga tao doon. Sabi nila, bravo! 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 Signora! So, i-expect ko, pagkatapos ng kantang to, ibabravo din ako ng bonggang. Pwede ba yun? Mababa lang po. Agad-agad?
Of course, yung costume changes niya at saka yung ano niya, yung ano nga yung song na yun, yung Italian song.
Nessun
The Sud.
Dorma.
Yeah, she was really good.
And she did some opera song. Not everyone. One thing I noticed is that she does try very hard to, she dares. Those are very high-pitched songs and they're not equally easy to sing. I myself, I'm a professional musician, songwriter, and recording artist. I wouldn't sing them just so easily. I was really impressed. She's got the real thing being an artist.
Narinig ko yung na na ra 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 na Sundorma. Yun. Ako, alam mo, Miss Anne, alam mo, Anne, ako, tinatry ko talaga kantahin yan eh, pero hangang-hanga talaga ako sa'yo na naggawa mo at napanindigan mo yung song. Grabe. Idol na idol kita and keep up the good work and mahal na mahal talaga siya ng ating mga kababayan dito.
Kayo naman, maliit na bagay lang.
Isa sa mga favorite guests ni Anne ay ang magaling na balladeer na si Ronnie Liang.
Nakadalawa na ako. Isa sa Abu Dhabi, isa sa Qatar, di ba? And pangatlo ko na to. Abroad, nakatatlo. Plus, dito naman local sa Kamsur. So, isang beses local, 3 beses dito sa abroad.
Kuhang-kuha niya ang kiliti ng crowd kaya madami ang napapangiti at napapatili sa kanyang solo number.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Babalik po ko mamaya. Thank you. God bless you.
Today is only the second time I meet her personally, and I really surprised with all the prowess and the power on stage. She really did a good job, and she improved really a lot, and I'm very proud of her.
Really want, so tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really want. Sing it, say
Alam niya na nakukuha niya yung ano ng tao kasi dahil sa karisma niya at saka alam niya na kahit di siya marunong kumanta, ano pa rin, entertain pa rin siya. Entertain.
But you really improved a lot. I need some love like I never needed love before. Wanna make love to you, baby. And I'm back for more. Wanna make love to you, baby. Set your swimming free. It's the only way to be. It's the only way to be.
I like the part when she was a mermaid. Oh my goodness, that was really amazing. And the idea that it was so creative. You used chairs.
Siyempre, di papakabog si Anne. Kung hindi man Best Singer Award, wagi naman sa Best in Costume ang mermaid outfit niya during the Spice Girls production number.
Stop wasting my time, please. Let me get out of my cage. You gotta slow it down, baby. Just get out of my face. Thank you very much. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. Shine right now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ay, wala pa pala. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. Shine right now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. O diba, pahirapan ng costume change dito sa concert na to.
Nagustuhan ko po yung mga change of costumes niya. Tapos yung mga napaka-creative po. Pinakita po doon yung kung saan siya nag-start. Ano yung mga dreams niya when she was young. Yung kung paano siya maging performer from the start. Yun po.
Okay, my turn.
sobrang nag-evolve siya as a performer, as an actress. At same when nakita ko siya nung teenager pa ako, ganun na ganun pa rin yung pakikitungo niya sa mga tao. As in, napaka-warm niya and napaka-humble niya kahit on and off the camera.
Kahit anong songs talaga kayang-kaya ng ating concert sweetheart, operatic man o pang-contest ng biritan.
As she's walking around, napaka-close siya sa mga bata. I mean, very natural, very kind-hearted siya talaga.
Now she's 30 and I think no big change. I mean, she's still the same, like funny girl and really down-to-earth person, really funny, and she's very good now.
Kasi napaka-ganda niya, napaka-kalog, tsaka talented. Yung mga gowns, grabe, ang gaganda. Pero yung start pa lang, and yung kinanta niya yung Alone, very ano yan eh, very memorable. So yun lang.
Yes. So ito pong kantang kakantayin ko, ang nagsimula talaga ng lahat. From showtime, nag-album, nag-concert, dahil po sa kantang to, sa kakasample-sample ko nito. So, if you guys wanna sing along with me, you're more than welcome to join me. Perfect ko na tong kantang to, actually. I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying, it's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone.
Kasi po mukha po siyang mabait, tsaka magaling po siya kahit sintonado yung kanta niya.
And now it chills me to the
Till now, I've always gone by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Alone.
Talagang nagustuhan ng madlang Singapore ang show ng ating nag-iisang Diyosa. Walang bumitiw mula sa simula hanggang matapos. Talagang made na si Anne as a concert performer.
Natuwa ako dun sa message niya just now na about the Anne spirit and Anne Nishiosa na kung ano man yung gusto mong magawin sa buhay, just do it with full confidence, you can do it. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko kay Anne. Yun yung nagustuhan ko. It's like her encouraging people to be better on what they believe about themselves. So, yun yung nakikita ko. She's really an inspiration.
Okay. Ay, oo nga, kailangan natin mag-selfie. May libre ng phone ko.
The music. The music.
Congratulations, Anne, for the success of your concert here in Singapore. All of us here, the Singapore OFW, are very proud of you. And keep up the good work. That's all. Thank you.
One more, ready? 1, 2,
The music.
3.
Hi, Anne. Congratulations and thank you for coming to Singapore and make me happy here in Singapore.
Yan. Oh, asan na ako? Ayan, 1, 2, 3.
The music.
For sure, mas marami pa siyang mapupuntahang lugar at mapapasayang mga kababayan in the future.
Thank you, Anne, for coming over to Singapore. Natuwa talaga yung mga tao. And kita mo naman, tumayo kami, nag-standing ovation kami. And we really shout, bravo, bravo. Super galing. We really admire you. I personally admire you. And stay to be an inspiration. Congratulations to Viva, to Pal, to all the sponsors, and to Anne Curtis. Thank you.
Finale song. Perfect ko talaga itong song na to actually kasi kaboses ko yung mga original na kumanta. So mababa lang siya. Huwag po kayo mag-expect ng mataas na song. Mababa lang siya. Kaboses ko sila. Heto na tayo.
And I'm so happy to see you again after a long time since your 18th birthday. And next time, I hope we will be in the same show again. And thank you for inviting us together with all the front acts. And I see all the people really enjoyed your show. And congratulations. And keep up your being low profile.
Anne Curtis, congratulations for a very successful concert here in Singapore. I hope na ma-invite ka po namin ulit. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
The music.
Congratulations, napakaganda tsaka napakasaya ng mga tao for your performance. I would say na sobrang sulit even though we waited. So, congrats again. Sana makita ka namin ulit next time.
The music. The music.
Thanks for watching the Anne Capel Concert Singapore Leg.